Once you're done creating your Fiverr account, here are the first things you need to check to make sure that your Fiverr account is in good standing before you start publishing gigs or before you start creating gigs on Fiverr. Otherwise, Fiverr may just ban your account. Alright, so I'm going to show you all the things you need to do in this particular video so that you don't get your account banned and then you can actually work and make money from Fiverr. I've done this. I have seen my account being banned, and then I've also seen account that was not banned. Alright, so I'm going to show you how everything works right here in this video. Alright, before we go ahead to do that, you are welcome to DigiTribe. This is a digital place for online entrepreneurs. If you're new to this channel and you love this video, do hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also turn on your bell notification icon so that when I drop valuable videos like this, you'll be notified and you can watch my latest videos. Now, first of all, before you start publishing it, after creating your account, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your account is fully verified. Now, if you look at this account, I'm going to also show you, point out some things for you with your profile so that you make sure your account has at least up to the standard when it comes to profile setting. But before I do that, let me show you how to verify your Fiverr account real quick. So if you're using your phone, you are going to see the three dash or the menu. Just click on the menu bar and then you're going to see okay, let me just show you with my phone. So if you are using your phone, all right, so if you're using your phone, I'm going to show you real quick how to use your phone to do the verification, right? But for you to do that, you're not supposed to log in using the app. All you need to do is to log in using your web browser. If you look at this now, this is my Google Chrome browser, and this is my second account anyway. So you can see it right there. This is not the first account. This is my second account. Now, for you to do this, make sure that you are here. You click on this place. You can see that three dots, three dash right there. So click on that three dash, and then you scroll all the way to this place that says account. You can see account right there. You can see account right there. So you click on the account, and then you're going to see account settings. So this account settings, that is where you go to. Once you click account settings, you can see personal information, account security, notification, and identity verification. So you need to click on the identity verification to verify it. Personal information, you need to also click on personal information to fill in your name, update your name on that. So this is if you are using your phone. Now, if you are using the system, let me show you how to get to this place on your system. Now, if you're using your system, so let me just go to my system right now. This is my system right now. So on my system, you click on this, your icon right here. You can see this icon right here that has my face on it. So you click on it. This is me. So this is my original account on Fiverr. You click on this account setting. You can see the account settings right here again. So you click on the account settings, and then we are going to wait for it to take us to the same place. You can see here personal information, account settings, notification, and what identity verification. So right here now, if you look at this now, the first thing you want to do here is just to update your personal information. Just update your name if you've not added your name, and then you click on identity verification to verify. So I'll click on identity verification right now. Once I click on it now, because this is my original account, you can see your identity has been verified on Fiverr. So once it's like this, it means everything is done. Your identity has been verified. You don't need to do anything right here again. So you can go out. Now let me show you the second account. So this is the second account. This is the one I opened on my phone earlier. So let me do the same thing and show you. On this account, I've not done my identity verification. That is because this account, I cannot use the same me to verify this account. You understand? So I am having someone do this verification for me. You get, so you can see right here, these are the things you need to do for yourself if you have not verified. Make sure you use your working phone number to do this verification. The phone number must be on WhatsApp because they send message only on WhatsApp, not SMS. So make sure that the phone number is on WhatsApp. Then add personal information. add your original information, the same information that you have on your ID card. Make sure you have that information right here, then upload your ID card. Now, you cannot upload your ID card by snapping it and then uploading. You need to snap the ID card with your phone or with your laptop, anyone. It's not like you're going to snap it then you upload the snap version. No, you need to snap it. Then after snapping it, the next thing is that you also snap your face. You use your face, or you snap your face, they capture your face. Let me use that word, they capture your face, and then your verification is done. So if I click on continue now, these are the things I'm going to do. Phone number already has been verified, and then is remaining all of this to get verified. So this is how you verify your account on Fiverr. Now, the next thing I want to show you real quick before I log out of this particular video, let me just go to my profile. So after verifying and doing all of that, make sure that your Fiverr account is at least 70 to 80% of the profile strength. You can see it right here. This is very, very important. If it is below 70, you might not get a chance to make sales here. So if it is not up to 70, please fill up all of this information. Just put your name, this name here, put this one here, put your about section here, and then your portfolio. You see showcase portfolio, you can put portfolio. Right now I don't have portfolio right here. So make sure that your Fiverr account is set up well. You understand? I've done a video on how to go about all of this, and how to set up all of this, and I'm just showing you the finished work of my own account. Now if I go to the second account right here, let me also show you the finished work of this second account. So I'm just showing you how your Fiverr account should look like. Now because this account is level 2, this account has been old, you can see this one now, it says 11 of 14. You can see it right there. Now things you need to make sure you pay attention to when setting up your account is your profile tag, this thing, bio, this one here. Pay attention to this one. If you look at this account, I said I build and grow your digital presence, website, bots, and SEO. Those are the things I do. Now, your about section should reflect that as well. It should reflect that. That is what I have here. Although I've not added my hourly rate, so I can do that later. Now, if you come down here, you can see I have a portfolio in this one. This is a portfolio I added, although this is still pending. This is the company I worked with, Stand NGO, for this portfolio, you get, but it's still pending. It has not been approved. So this is everything. This is everything I did for them on that portfolio, work experience for the portfolio. This is it. And now this is my skills. So make sure your skills tally with what you are doing. Now I said website, SEO, and what bot. So you can see WordPress, Google Analytics, Telegram bot, business automation, bot development, API integration, Google Tag Manager, WooCommerce, and WordPress, and all of that. So these are the things you need to make sure you put. Now, if you look at my education, I added my education. Of course, I am a graduate. I added, although there was no BNG. So what I saw was BSc. So I had to just use BSc, and I specified degree engineering and all of that. So make sure your Fiverr account is set up just like the way you have seen right here. Once you have this, then you are one step closer to succeeding on Fiverr. I hope this video has clarified so many things for you about how to verify your account on Fiverr, and how to make sure your profile is premium on Fiverr as well. All right, that is it for me in this particular video. In another video, I will just show you how you can conversate or chat with clients and also close a deal and get more money from that deal.